Does the Earth's atmosphere consist of about 80% nitrogen and 20% oxygen, without including water vapor? Yes. It is generally common to express the composition of the atmosphere in terms of the proportions of nitrogen, N2, and oxygen, O2, without including water vapor. This is referred to as dry air, or the major components of air. When expressing the composition of the Earth's atmosphere, nitrogen accounts for approximately 78%, oxygen for approximately 21%, and the remaining proportions are made up of trace gases. Water vapor, H2O, is not included in this composition because the concentration of water vapor can vary greatly depending on location and time. The concentration of water vapor is measured as humidity, and it plays an important role in weather forecasting and climate modeling. Therefore, it is generally common practice to only represent nitrogen and oxygen as the main components of the Earth's atmosphere, without including water vapor. Although nitrogen is abundant in the atmosphere, some countries lack fertilizer. Is it difficult to collect nitrogen and make fertilizer? Yes. It is difficult to directly harvest nitrogen from the atmosphere and use it as fertilizer. There are several reasons for this. 1. Nitrogen molecules are very stable. 1. Nitrogen in the atmosphere is made up of two nitrogen atoms, and these molecules are very stable and do not easily break down. 1. This requires very high temperatures and pressures. 2. Nitrogen fixation is an energy-intensive process. 2. Energy is required to fix nitrogen molecules. 2. This is typically done using fossil fuels such as natural gas or oil, which can be costly and environmentally burdensome. 3. Nitrogen fixation can cause pollution. 3. Nitrogen oxides can be produced during the nitrogen fixation process, which is a source of air pollution. For these reasons, it is not realistic to directly harvest nitrogen from the atmosphere and use it as fertilizer in terms of cost and environmental impact. Therefore, most fertilizers are currently produced using raw materials extracted from underground resources. However, research is being actively conducted to overcome these limitations. For example, methods for fixing nitrogen using bacteria and fungi are being developed. These methods are energy efficient and do not produce pollution, opening up the possibility of using nitrogen from the atmosphere as fertilizer.